How to change my last scene on Telegram. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can change your last scene on Telegram. So I'll show you step by step on how that's done in today's video, just so nobody sees your last scene on Telegram. So firstly, in order to actually change your last scene, all you have to do is head over to the settings. Now here in these settings, you're going to want to make your way down, all the way down to privacy and security. Now go ahead and click it and you should be on this page. Now you can see under privacy right here, the second option says last seen and online. Now go ahead and click it. Once you're here, you should be able to see who can see my last scene. Now you could change it to your preference. It could either be shown to your contacts or to nobody, but I'm pretty sure nobody wants to see their last scene. So just go ahead and put nobody here, and that'll essentially change your last scene on Telegram. So with that being said, that's how you change your last scene on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That being said, have a nice day everybody, and I'll see you guys until next time.